Hello friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex and I'm always delighted to make these kind of videos for you and help our clients with the buy, with the sell, and of course with the rent of real estate properties and of beautiful sunny Costa Blanca region. Today is 8th of May and check out people, tourists are enjoying our city. This is the beach from the Cura beach, La Playa del Cura in Spanish, and it's complete full. I cannot even imagine what will happen now with 1 month. So yeah, nice weather, nice place, touristic city, and on this case we have a nice apartment that is located only 500 meters away from this place, and yeah, it's a top area to buy as investment. As you see, we have people now actually last time all the year, and it's a nice place to buy something as investment. And today I will show you a nice opportunity that we have on sale. Follow me. Well friends, and now we are on the 5th floor. This is the main entrance to the apartment. We have a window here by the entrance, a lot of space, and it's lighty, and this go to the patio, and yeah, good for the ventilation and light. On the left side we have the kitchen is completely renovated. As you see, all the white goods are new. Also the floor, it's all new. It's a vinyl floor. Everything is new in this case. Also illumination, also lighting, and air conditioning is also new. Furniture, everything is included in the price. And now let's go to see the best part of this property. This balcony here has more or less, let's see, 5 square meter size. And check out the views of the communal area with nice big pool. This pool is actually very big. It has 12 meters per 6 meters size, and yeah, nice to enjoy outside there your summer days. And also to mention that we have the south orientation, so that means that we'll have sun all the day here, and one of the bedrooms goes also to this south part of the facade. And now friends, I'm gonna show you this nice renovated bedroom. Check it out. It has a shower plate. Everything is new and completely renovated, ready to live. Then we have both bedrooms on the both sides. Let's start with the first one. It's a bit smaller, but with double bed, and the window that goes to the same patio as I showed you in the beginning. And then we have the main bedroom here, this side, with inbuilt wardrobes, good size, nice wall done with wood style, lighting, and of course, as I mentioned, the window that goes to the facade, to the same place with the pool area. So friends, as you have seen, this is a perfect apartment to buy it as an investment or for holidays, because the area, because the infrastructure, because we're close to the beaches, because it has a swimming pool in the community, it's renovated, it's ready to come and live, and it's a perfect option for somebody that wants to buy a property for investment or for holidays. So also don't forget that there's a penthouse, and this property has 58 square meters constructed area size. Price for this apartment is 164,900. It's a nice price for a nice location, swimming pool, and renovated condition. So and penthouse, of course. So don't mind to contact me about this property or any other property. If you have more questions and anything you need, you have my contact details here under this video. And here, share this video please with your family, friends, and subscribe our channel. It helps us a lot to get new clients and to make more new content. Yeah, take care and be safe, and I'll see you next time in our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Adios!